Hi, I'm Jonathan Olson, and I'm a new product development engineer with PennEngineering. Today we're going to be taking a look at the PEM GHOST fastener, and more specifically, a kit that we've set up to demonstrate how it works. Now, if you're not familiar with the GHOST fastener, it functions similarly to a screw and nut assembly, but with some key differences. Because it is a magnetically actuated fastener, a traditional drive is not required to either assemble or disassemble it. The pin engages the fastener's internal locking mechanism, and a magnet is used to release the lock. Simple as that. This means that both mating components can be installed into blind holes, and once assembled, there should be no evidence of what or where they are. Let's take a look at our three main components. We have a magnetic release tool, our aluminum box, which we've fitted with a floating pin in each of the four corners, and our aluminum lid, where we've installed our four ghost fasteners. Now, when I say floating pin, I just mean that the part retaining the pin allows for some radial travel. This is great for tolerancing or for situations where a highly precise assembly is not feasible. You may have also noticed that there's a rubber gasket attached to our aluminum lid. This can serve a number of purposes based on the application, but in this case, we've added it to allow some axial travel during disassembly. There is some amount of force due to friction on the internal locking mechanism, and the axial travel allows us to overcome it. All right, let's go ahead and attach our lid. I'm going to put it in place and allow the pins to engage the fasteners. And I'm going to apply a fair amount of pressure. You can do this however you like, but it is an important step to ensure that all four ghost fasteners are fully engaged. Now let's take a look at our magnetic release tool. The one we have here has been designed to function like a fixed base. However, this is fully customizable based on the needs of the application. Let's slide our box into place, lid down, apply pressure, and remove the box. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. This has been a demonstration of the PEM GHOST fastener.